If you really want to scale your online coaching business, you need to make 3 simple hires that are absolutely going to change the game for you. When I did this, I bought back my time and I was able to scale my coaching business past 10K. And I want to show you exactly what they are. Number 1 is getting a success coach. I know this is hard for most coaches, but you are probably not the best coach in the world, because you've got to focus on marketing, DMs, sales calls. So why not hire a success coach to actually fulfill your programs? You train them up, you show them how to use your systems, and it works a treat. Number 2 is an appointment setter. Eventually, your DMs are going to get very, very busy. It's going to be hard for you to be in the DMs every day. So get someone to help handle the load for you and book calls in your diary. And number 3 is a video editor. At some point, again, you can't be editing all your videos. It is a bottleneck. Trust me, it takes time. So you can get someone on Fiverr or Upwork. They'll usually charge you $10 or $15 per video. The benefit of this is you get more time to now focus on new ideas and ways of scaling and growing your coaching business. That might be leads. It might be partnership opportunities with other coaches. It might just be investing in your development as a business leader. If you're stuck in the weeds of your business, you don't get this time, so you can't ever grow your business past that 10K mark. If you are a coach who is serious about trying to learn these things, all you got to do is head over to my YouTube. I actually have a video that breaks down each part of this process and where you can find these people, which is the key. Hit the link in my bio to watch the video. Peace.